Okay, the problem with free VPNs for Android is that most of them are a sham, either because of low security standards, slow speeds, or terrible user experience. I've tried a bunch of free VPNs for this video, and I'm going to show you the options that I consider the best in 2024. All right, I want to begin by going through all the pros of Proton VPN and Windscribe, the two best free VPN Android users can get. Proton VPN is the definitive free VPN. It's the one that I would personally use to protect myself on public networks or from malicious connections. That's because it utilizes the latest encryption methods and prevents any IP or DNS leaks thanks to an integrated kill switch. Now, while that's about what I'd expect from most VPNs, even some premium providers have privacy issues, either due to their jurisdiction or unreliable no logs policy, but not Proton VPN. Operating from the privacy-friendly Swiss jurisdiction and within multiple independent audits to prove its no logs policy, this provider is as transparent as it gets. Besides, both providers are open source, so their code is publicly available and transparent, making their whole operation much more trustworthy. So despite Proton VPN's free version having some limitations, the app itself is just as user-friendly as the premium version, with a functional digital map and an easy choice of features. No ads either, which is a pleasant surprise coming out of a free Android software. So performance-wise, Proton VPN is not that fast. It's nowhere near to premium options like NordVPN or Surfshark. And while I can't get access to the full server grid for free, even 8 countries are not too bad. Most free VPNs limit to 3 at best. Or so I say before introducing Windscribe, the free VPN with the most locations, 10 in total. In terms of performance, Windscribe relies on the same protocol as Proton VPN and thus maintains a similar speed. Now, of course, I mostly care about security. After all, a lot of free VPN app Android options can't even encrypt the connection properly. Windscribe is not one of those. It uses the latest encryption method and is equipped with a kill switch to prevent any unnecessary IP or DNS leaks. It's a shame that privacy-wise, Windscribe is a bit less reliable than Proton VPN despite having a no logs policy. It's operating from Canada. This Five Eyes country is not the worst when it comes to privacy, but it can ask Windscribe to share user data in case it's required for an investigation or official government business. That said, Windscribe does not record any data and even includes a free stealth VPN feature that completely hides VPN traffic from my service provider. It's a great way to avoid throttling. And I truly think these are the best free VPNs for Android, but you might already see that they have severe limitations compared to their own premium versions, as well as any other premium provider. Despite offering the best free VPN Android service, companies like NordVPN or Surfshark can give much more. If you'd like to try some premium VPNs yourself, the links in the description have special discounts that you can use to shave off over 80% of the price. Now, since I've mentioned the limitations of these free VPNs, it's only fair to tell you more. I've already mentioned that, but the free Proton VPN only has access to servers in 8 countries. Not only is that not a lot, but the premium version has significantly more and a server count on par with NordVPN. So those are extremely useful for streaming and torrenting, but the free version makes both activities impossible. Proton VPN speed could have been faster if the VPN accelerator was available. The accelerator is not the only feature missing from the free version. I wish I could use secure core servers to add additional security to my connection, or at least a built-in ad blocker that filters out malicious links and trackers. It's especially sad that free Proton VPN doesn't even get proper customer support. The priority, support, and comprehensive assistance are paywalled. The VPN can only be used on one device as well, even though the premium version allows 10 simultaneous connections at once. So as much as I like Windscribe, it's not without issues as well. For instance, it has a very small monthly data cap, 15 gigabytes at maximum if you post to X, which is just not a lot. That said, on my Android phones, I rarely go over the monthly data limit, so this could be fine for some users. Similar to Proton VPN, the 10 location limit is significantly less than the premium version or other premium VPNs offer. Other downsides are very similar to Proton VPN as well. Only one device support per account, lack of available features, only basic customer support. As you can see, the list of limitations and downsides is stretching kind of long, even when we're talking about the best free VPN in Android. Definitely premium options are better for some reasons that I want to outline right now. But first, just keep in mind that you can try a lot of these providers completely free through either a trial or a money-back guarantee. NordVPN even has a friend referral program that may grant months of free subscription. So comparing top providers like NordVPN or Surfshark versus Proton VPN and Windscribe, better server coverage and speed are the biggest upsides. So NordVPN has been the fastest VPN that I've tested for years now, and from my recent tests, it still holds that top spot. Security-wise too, NordVPN and Surfshark can boast additional features that make them considerably more safe to use. For instance, threat protection, NordVPN's feature that eliminates ads, online threats, and malicious files on download, or Surfshark's antivirus. It's a full built-in antivirus suite within the VPN app, and I use these features daily, and this is the level of service that you can expect from providers like this. So in terms of privacy, the difference is not that massive, but still NordVPN operates from a privacy-friendly jurisdiction. It has an audited no logs policy and uses RAM-only servers that don't even save user data in the first place. The same goes for Surfshark, with the only difference actually being that it operates in the Netherlands. It's a Nine Eyes country similar to Canada. Of course, there's the benefit of customer support. Both Surfshark and NordVPN have 24/7 live chat as well as other ways to get assistance. So to summarize, there are a couple of really good free VPN on mobile, and you can get decent security and privacy, and even your performance will be at a high level. But when it comes to having access to a lot of locations, streaming, torrenting, advanced features, and a lack of restrictions, free VPNs just can't deliver. Using a premium VPN for these purposes is a much better option, and I recommend you check out my best Android VPNs through the link in the description below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the info that you're looking for, and make sure you leave a comment and any questions, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Keep your phone safe. Bye.